Ibesesezolo nanamhlanje ePalamente kugityiselwana ngamagade ngelixa lesoshoni yengxoxo mpikiswano ngentetho kaMongameli Cyril Ramaphosa nayenze ngolwesine kuleveki siphuma kuyo. Amalungu eANC atyhole inkokheli ye-EFF umnumzana Julius Malema ngokuphakamisa isandla kunkosikazi wakhe. Lenkokheli ye-EFF khange libazise yaziphindezela nayo ngokutyhola uMongameli Ramaphosa ngokuxhaphaza wayesakuba inkosikazi yakhe nengasekhoyo. Emva kwezi zityholo azenzileyo umnumzana Malema uye wacelwa ukuba aphume-aphele ePalamente.
Le ndibano yanamhlanje iqale ngocwangco ixoxa ngemiba yezoqoqosho.
South Africans don't want fantasies. They want to know how we're going to get through the crisis. Thursday evening was your moment and you blew it.
Kodwa kwaphuma umbuzo ebetyhola uMalema ngokuxhaphaza owakwakhe.
If the matter is true, are you going to apologize? If you're not going to apologize, then you must be held responsible. So now, my question to you is that, are you abusing your wife? Thank you very much, Chairperson of the NCOP.
uMalema naye uye wazibuyisela etyhola uMongameli Ramaphosa ngokuxhaphaza uyisakuba ngowakwakhe ongesekhoyo.
President Zuma can confirm that Noma Zizi, the ex-wife of the president, used to complain to President Zuma about being abused by the president.
On a point of order.
On a point of order, Chair.
Bring it on. Well, I'm not scared of all of you. Combined. I'm not scared of nothing.
Honorable Malema,
I'm not scared of the
Honorable Malema,
nothing.
Point of order, Chair.
Usihlalo wale seshoni uphethe iyalela uMalema arhoxise le ntetho okanye ayishiye le ndlu.
Order members. Can I ask you for the last time, Honorable Malema?
But Chair, who said was
Please withdraw the remark. And if you don't want to withdraw the remark, I'm about to ask you to leave the house.
uMalema uye wala wakhetha ukuyishiya le ndlu.
Take your puppets with you. Take your puppets.
bodyguard following us?
Amanye amaqela politiko afuna imithetho yale ndlu iqiniswe.
The joint rules need to be revisited to close the door of the kind of embarrassing display we endured that week.
The president was asked whether he has abused his wife, and the president said he has never abused his wife.
Kusenjalo le ngxoxo mpikiswano ibigxile kwimeko yezoqoqosho namathuba emisebenzi.
The theatrics we witnessed here last week from the EFF will not transform society. These theatrics will not create jobs. They will not grow our economy.
I ask you, Honourable President, put a moratorium on black economic empowerment and affirmative action until South Africa has a growth rate of 5%. And stop expropriation without compensation.
We also agree that government alone cannot solve these economic challenges. That's why the ACDB believes that business should be enabled to create the right opportunities for job creation and growth.
Le ngxoxo mpikiswano isaqhubeka nangolwesithathu phambi kokuba uMongameli Ramaphosa aziphendulele ngolwesine. Ulelani Philip, SABC News ePalamente.